Actually, it's a difficult movie. I would say this is we finished little early. Actually, it may take some more time, and so there is a lot of technically because the post production, no, it will take a lot of time, and this is not a normal movie, and there is only two or three normal scenes. All other scenes are abnormal and very difficult to execute, and for actors also it's a very tough job, because once if two normal human beings interact, it's very simple. When a human and a robot interacts, totally everything is different. It's very interesting, and every scene is very difficult.
नैना मिले तो तुमसे नैना मिले नैना मिले तो दिल में अरमा खिले पिघला रे राह में पिघला रे मन में मेरे मन में शोला सा निकला रे बिजली की तारों में तू उलझी है सपने सी
It's not 17 hours, it's around 4 to 6 hours, because that's also one visual effect scene that because once the setup is ready, so he has to be there for hours till we finish the scene, because you see the movie, one of the shot is there in the trailer where you can see the full robotic body and Rajini's head. That is a shot, that is a scene, it has taken long hours for him to stay.
हेलो वर्ल्ड, मैं एक रोबो हूँ.
Exactly, it's different from Rajini sir film also. Even it's different from my film, it's different from Rajini sir film, it's different from what Rajini fans are expecting also. Yeah, she's very, very experienced, and in Genes we have to explain a lot of things, and in Robot we need not to explain a lot of things. And I'm able to see her growth acting wise and professionally also, the hard work also, like she's working like a hero. How hero they make themselves ready for a movie like that, she works so hard from morning 7 o'clock till the backup time. She's working so hard, and she's not only concerned about her role, she's keen about the techniques and other aspects, other characters, and all the things involved in the movie making, like she is the apt casting for that role.
ये अकेला 100 के बराबर है. कैच.
खून कर दूंगी.
See, actually the main visual effect supervisor is from India, is from Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and then apart from him, whatever the technology is not available and whatever not possible here, only we hired from outside the country. It is a very simple science fiction film that anyone, even in village also, they can understand very easily. The dosage of the, I mean the science level and all, it's I think it will be perfect for our Indian audience. The script itself, it's like internationally in any part of the world, anyone can understand and they can identify and they can enjoy this movie.
पागल अनुकन प्यार दिल में कितने हैं न्यूट्रॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन नीले नैनों में बोलो कितने हैं.
Actually, we with a lot of man force and with a lot of hard work
And intelligence.
Yeah.
There's been a lot of
And I
intelligent
don't
work that
see
he's done.
see this movie in the terms of budget. I see this movie in the terms of hard work. See, the hard work everybody put in this movie is priceless. It's more than the budget. See, the script means because I went through a wild imagination and I tried to make all my imagination come true with the help of the actors and all the technicians. It's really very, very interesting movie, I hope.
He's unbelievable. He's like a superhero.
Yeah, I'm fully satisfied because I feel it's original and it's Indian science fiction and it's a common man science fiction.
Yeah, that's
Like-
I think that's a huge signature of his filmmaking. He never forgets the common man, which is what's really fantastic. I've felt that in all his movies, that with everything new that he tries to give his viewer, he never forgets the common man story, and he keeps in mind how the common man will be humored, what will be funny for the common man, what will be entertaining for the common man, what will be a sense of fantasy for the common man. And he kind of brings all that in, all these elements and more into his cinema. And that's why probably, you know, you'd always call entertainment his largest signature.
Hello, don't get any ideas.
न्यूटन न्यूटन कह सकिया दिल ये काहे डोल दिन रतिया तेरी आंखों की झिलमिल का राज है क्या राज रूप